Hello, learners. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and voice technology. Get ready to the witness of the creation of an advanced AI chatbot that not only responds intelligently to the text inputs, but also it engages in lifelike conversations and also daily conversations. Okay. Um, we already know that, right? In previous video, we discussed what is AI chatbot, and also we built a one project called AI chatbot with the text messages. Whenever we ask a one question for the chatbot, it gives reply in the text format. But in this voice enabled chatbot, it gives a audio format. Okay, that's why we mentioned daily conversations. So, guys, without more delays, let's get into the project. First, we discuss what is the coding part of this. In the previous video, we already discussed front end part, right? Both these videos same front end part. Okay, just we changed model part. This is the HTML page for the AI chatbot. We already discussed what is this containers, what it contains. Okay, title. These are all normal, and this is the icon page. Only we changed this front end page in model deployment. Wait, wait, I will see you that. Yeah, it is. This is the chatbot container of this site. Yeah, I will see the. Yeah, this chatbot is will change in the front end page. That's all. Yeah, this is the URL of the chatbot predicted model. Okay. This is the backend code. This code. Yeah. In this first step is importing the necessary libraries called OS, RE, and also request is this is JSON Gradio. Gradio, we already know that, right? Use it creates a user interface for this project, and also LangChain chart model, and also LLM chain. This LLM chain is used to create a long learning mission, right? Chart Open AI. This is the this model is used to answering questions very intelligently. That's why we use Chart Open AI. And also this conversation buffer memory. Whenever we ask a question, that question and answer will store one of the memory. That's why we use this conversation buffer memory. Okay. And this library allows interaction with the operating system. This RE is used for we express regular expressions for text manipulations and extractions and expressions. That's manner we use this RE, and requesters enables to sending HTTP requests to the website, local website or web server. Okay, this JSON data by using this library JSON library, we easily handle data. Okay, after that we already explained, right? LLM chain and memory, why we use. Okay, this OpenAI key, play HT API key, and user ID. These are all get for the voice. In the chatbot, voice is mine. So that's why we use these links. In that app, I create my voice sample for this AI project. Okay, in that website, I create a one voice URL. That's why here you mention. After that, we we create a one environment for that. Okay, these are the IDs for creating environment variables. This part is for that. After that, we create a template. This template is for chart interactions, user messages, and chart history, user placeholders also. We already seen, right, in the front end page. This is the front end page, right? For chart interaction, this is the template page. That's why we define it in this app.py. Okay. So that prompt. After that prompt, in this prompt variable, we store all input variables like chart history and user messages. It handles user inputs and also chart history. That's why we use it. That okay. This is the prompt template. Okay. After that, In this prompt template, we store user questions and user input. That's why we define it this prompt template. After that, memory. We already discussed, right? Conversation buffer memory. Why we use it stores user messages. Yeah, I mean user questions. It stores we will get answers from the chatbot. After that, this LLM chain is used for creating a model for answering the questions, means chatbot creation. Okay. In this LLM chain, we set up a chat API, open API model. Okay. After that, we configure prompt, verbose, model, temperature. These are the parameters of the creating LLM chain. Okay. Large language model. LLM means. After that, headers. This headers is used for creating the voice. Creating for the voice is used to these headers. Okay. Okay, next we define a one function called get payload. This function is returns text, output text, and also voice ID. It takes one of the sample voice and generates with the sample voice. Okay, generates with the answer with the sample voice and of the quality of the voice and output format. We get a output format audio. So audio extension is MP3, right? That's why we give this parameter. After that, we mentioned that speed of the voice and also sample rate and also seed and temperature. This payload is used to construct the payload required for making request of the play HT voice. And also it includes information, right? Text to convert this text and also it converted into the voice, right? Voice selection and audio quality, output format. These are the defined function. After that, generated audio. uh, we get a generated audio from the AI chatbot, right? That's why we use this function. Okay. In this function, we send a request to the play HT voice API with the provided text, and also we get a response for that. A response for the API for that question. Okay. This which are string containing information about the generated audio. This is yeah. Okay. If in case If in case the question is recognizable, then it returns success and we get response in the audio format. If in case it doesn't recognize any question, it gives error, exception error. Okay, that's why we mention all this code. After that, we use a JSON payload because this JSON payload if it takes information, I mean, it takes user question, it transform into the JSON format. After that, we get response. That's why we use it that. Okay, after that, we extract user URLs. This function is used to regular expressions to find URLs in the given text and also list of URLs. We already mentioned, right, API URLs in the above statement. Yeah, this is the URL. This URL for the recognizing of this URL, we created this extract URLs. That's why we use this. In these extract URLs, also find all occurrences of URL in the text. And also this function is used to get audio reply for the question. Okay, we get audio replies, right? Um, for the given text, yeah, sorry, yeah, this if in case is there any error for the voice, it gives this message: no audio file link found in the generative event. It gives error sometimes, so that's why if in case that time we get this output like this. After that, if in case audio is question is recognizable, after that it gives a audio format. The return final response. These are used to in we will get events in a string format from we need to extract us these URLs and all this. Okay. Um, download URL. We send a get request to the URL to fetch the content, and also this is the request. If in case our request was successful, it returns 200 code, and also it returns a voice message. Okay, these are the text response for the AI chatbot, and also these are the get text response and audio response. This is the function is used to for that, and also in this function chatbot response, right? In this chatbot response, we get a message from the chatbot. Okay, after that we created a interface with by using Gradio app. We already mentioned above, right? Gradio, import Gradio as JM. So the there means Gradio library. By using the Gradio library, we create a chart interface. After that, we launch. Similarly, above previous video app project. Similarly, we launch this app. This is the project, guys. I clearly mentioned also comments in this space, so you can check it out. For this project, in the description box, I will put entire code of the generation AI with voice enabled chatbot. Okay, this project code is available in the description box. So guys, you can check it out if any doubts. Okay, thank you guys for watching.